Okay, then just specific directors, the chairman and the CEO. The CEO details are specifically addressed in Principle 10. Okay. So overall, your chairman is responsible for leadership of the governing body, whereas your CEO is responsible for leading the implementation of the approved strategy. Remember, we said that management actually develop the strategy and then implement it once it's been approved by the board. So the CEO is responsible for making sure management are implementing it correctly, and the CEO is considered the link between management and the governing body. Okay, so that's why you'll see for all the duties that management get delegated, the CEO will be the person who's leading that delegation or monitoring that delegation process. And for each of these two, there's specific disclosure that's required. So this could be something that comes up. The chair, they need to disclose whether he's independent and whether there is a lead independent non-executive that has been appointed. For the CEO, notice period on termination, any other professional commitments that the CEO has, because this could affect his work if he's got other commitments, and whether there is that succession plan for him. So let's quickly look at what is considered independence or independent for your directors. The following affects independence. If the director is a significant provider of capital to the company or works at a company that is a significant provider of capital, or if he participates in any share-based incentive schemes, because now you're going to want the business to perform so that you can get increased share incentives. If he has shares in the company that are material to him. Okay, so if he's got 5% shares in the company and they're not material to his wealth, then he won't be considered to have independence affected. And therefore, you could still have an independent non-executive director with shares in a company. Or if he was employed as an executive manager in any of the 3 previous years, or as auditor in any of the 3 previous years. He's a professional advisor to the company, or he's a director or executive director of a supplier, customer, or related party. And if he's entitled to remuneration contingent on performance of the company, again, can't be independent, because you're going to want the company to perform to get your remuneration. Okay, well, how does this affect each of our directors? Every director annually should submit a declaration of any interests held. This is not tying back to the Companies Act, because there should be a register of interests held, so when they're going to make decisions, they can see if a director has an interest in terms of Section 75 of the Companies Act. And all members should declare whether they have a conflict of interest, again, when making decisions, exactly in line with Section 75 of the Companies Act. So take 5 minutes here, guys, and quickly evaluate if any of these are independent or not.